but a vision. A vision that says the power to manifest the life you want lies in something as simple as a pen. Thank you for joining us today for the official launch of Manifest Your Dreams with a Pen by the incredible Nitika Didwania. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my absolute honor to introduce someone who has touched countless lives through the simplest, most overlooked tool of all, a pen. A TEDx speaker, Amazon bestseller author, certified graphologist, and a transformational coach, Nitika Didwania has helped hundreds of individuals, from students to entrepreneurs, decode their handwriting and rewrite their inner narratives. She believes that your handwriting holds the key to your healing, clarity, and success. Today we are here to celebrate her newest creation that is already changing lives. Please welcome the incredible Nitika Didwania. Joining us today as a distinguished guest is Nafisa Binderwala, a dynamic and passionate educator and an ex-principal of Children's Academy School, currently serving as a super mentor coach at the Clay Lab Education in Australia. Her insightful approach, the guidance and leadership has empowered countless students to realize their potential, and today she stands with us to support the launch of a book that encourages personal growth. Please join us in welcoming our special guest, Nafisa Binderwala. Every journey begins with a foundation of love and belief. We are honored to have with us today the parents of Nitika Didwania, the ones who nurtured her dreams long before they were written down. Thank you, Mr. Jugal Kushore Didwania and Ms. Manjula Didwania for being her first and forever source of strength. I request both of you to please join us on the stage with your goal. Real stories of people who rewrote their lives literally, and tools to help you get unstuck, gain clarity, and start living more intentionally. Whether you're a dreamer, a doer, or someone stuck in between, I hope you all will encourage her with a huge round of applause first.
Thank you, Richa. That's the special effects. That's the special effects, yes. Yes. So first of all, I would want to thank everybody here present today. This really means the support I have in my life. I am so grateful. सिर्फ ऐसे लग रहा है पिंच कर लेते हैं, ये ड्रीम ही है कि ये तो सिर्फ विजुअलाइज किया था, सब कुछ आज सच हो रहा है. आई एम सो ओवरवेल्म्ड, आई फील सो नाइस, आई कैन जस्ट, द एनर्जी इज ऑल इनसाइड. थैंक यू ऑल. सो आई वांट टू शेयर वन थिंग कि लेट अस मेक दिस अ लिटिल बिग. Let me share this vision. Let me share what it actually is, what exactly is manifestation. There will be more questions coming up, but it is very easy. जैसे कहते हैं, yeah, I'm just saying, I have lived this here. I have lived this. मैंने खुले आँखों से अपने सपने देखे और वो आज साकार हो रहे हैं. I have actually seen, yes, the audience, my parents here, I sitting here, my books here, the screen here, everything I have visualized and it has come true. I am so thankful, everybody, so thankful. People who know me know कि every 11/11 को इसका एक WhatsApp status आता है and देखो आज 11/11 को क्या हो रहा है. So yes, thank you again. So over to you, Richa, before अब ये बहने लगे ना before. Thank you.
Thank you, Nitika ma'am, and it is really an inspiring moment right now to hear that you have actually visualized this and made it happen. I'm sure this is just some part of you all. So I would like to hear a few words from Nafisa ma'am as well.
So today is Nitika's day. Nitika Didwania, the star of today. So today I have penned down something for Nitika about Nitika. Manifestation is no myth. Just ask Nitika Didwania. Once unknown, now a voice that echoes far. A graphologist, an NLP coach, a TEDx star, and now an author with dreams etched in ink. She walked the path one step at a time with faith in herself and the universe in rhyme. No shortcuts, just trust and steady grace. A living testament that dreams do take place. Thank you.
I'm sure this moment wouldn't be complete without hearing from her parents. So I'd like to request them to say a few words.
जुगल डिडवानिया, नीतिका का पिताजी। जब बच्चे कोई बड़ा काम करते हैं तो उनके माता पिता को उनके ऊपर बहुत गर्व होता है। वैसे ही नीतिका ने आज इतनी बड़ी बुक लॉन्च की है तो मुझे उसके ऊपर बहुत गर्व है और भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ वो आगे ऐसे ही अपनी ज़िंदगी जी के हमारा नाम रोशन करे। थैंक यू।
Just like Nitika, we are also lost for words. This is a note full of love and gratitude. I'd like to request the mother as well to speak a few words.
नमस्ते सबको। मैं नीतिका की मम्मी, मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ जो मुझे ऐसी बेटी मिली। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद नीतिका।
So with this lovely words from the people at the stage, now I'd like to engage you all with a wonderful activity that I have planned. I hope you all are ready to answer, speak out your minds. I can see a big nod of the head. Yes, from the front. Before I start the activity, I can see some of you are excited for the activity. I'd like to give the mic to Kiara and Diva to go ahead and speak a few words.
So firstly, congratulations, Mama. I'm very proud that I got such a mother who is doing so many milestones at a time. I hope she has way more milestones like this, and I'm very, very proud of her.
Hello everyone, I'm Diva. Congratulations Mama for this big achievement. Now I have the confidence to do what I can when I can see you getting so much. Thank you.
Nitika ma'am, I think you're truly a mentor and we can see that as a reflection on your daughters. So I had a message for all of you. As this book is about manifestation, so far we have spent at least 5-10 minutes experiencing this power of manifestation. So I wanted to ask you all a little question. What chapter of life are you in right now? Whether it's a chapter of change or a chapter of beginning or a chapter of education. Can anybody would like to share?
Prospects, new situations, how to handle the situations.
That's amazing, and as an educator myself, so I have a second follow-up question to that.
Happiness.
Yes, so let's give her a clap and let's manifest happiness for her. Anybody else would like to take over? Yes, please tell your name as well.
Hi, my name is Payal Agarwal. I'm Nitika's sister. So, yes, I feel I'm in the phase of evolving, where I am shedding my old and the caterpillar shedding the skin and coming out as a beautiful butterfly. So I'm in that phase probably.
Wow, and what are you manifesting? What butterfly is going to
I
explore?
want to reach the sky with my wings spreading very wide.
Very
That
good.
is what I'm manifesting.
Very good, all the very best. I
Thank
hope you
you.
get what you're manifesting.
Thank you so much.
What emotions are you manifesting?
I think more achievements and success. I think.
Wow, are you building on something? Are you a sportsman or an artist or something?
Not like that, like
Academics. Oh. Both. Great. Great. If Nafisa ma'am is saying, I completely believe her. Now we have a time for one more person to celebrate. Come on, this is your chance to express yourself. Get it out. We are all here supporting people. Would you like me to share? So right now I'm in a chapter of nervousness because I'm standing in front of all of you, and all of you include my friends and Nitika ma'am and Nafisa ma'am. Standing beside them is a little more nervous. And I'm manifesting a great event, a chance to bond with each other here and a chance to celebrate. I think I also deserve a little. So, they say when the clock strikes 11:11, the universe listens. It's a time often associated with intention, alignment, and manifestations coming to life. So, it's no coincidence that Nitika ma'am chose this moment to unveil a book that's all about channeling your thoughts into action, your dreams into reality, and your words into power. So join me as we count down to 11:11 for the unveiling. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 2, 1, and here we go. Presenting to you Manifest Your Dreams with a Pen by the incredible Nitika Dirwania. Let's give a huge round of applause. This is the celebration of hours of writing, hours of manifestation come to life. I reiterate, whether you're a dreamer, a doer, or someone stuck in between, this book reminds you that your story is still being written. We are all truly curious about the story behind the story. What is the book really about?
So, the book is about hope. When there was a time when I was about to lose it, but I found the power. So, it is about hope. Anybody who wants to know what is help, what is hope, the book is all about it. Oh yes, it confirms.
I think it's
Yes.
going towards the audience.
Yes. So That is what the book is about, that you are allowed to dream. Please dream, make your dreams come true. It is very much here, as one of my favorite mentors says, that everybody has two lives. Everybody has two lives. The second one starts when you realize you have one. So,
Wow.
that is what it is about, कि यही जिंदगी है, जी लो.
And I truly believe this as well. Without hope, we aren't alive. And with hope, we are full of joy.
Yes.
So, which brings me to the next question. Was there a moment in your life that sparked this idea?
So writing a book, yes, there was a moment when this idea sparked up. That time I understood that I can't be at two places. Now this book can go a million places. So even if one person is able to achieve something out of this book, the purpose of writing this book is complete. This is why the book is written in that moment when I couldn't cater to the other client.
Yeah, I think we all want.
Of the book says, manifest your dreams with a pen. Please read this book with a pen in your hand. Take down notes, make that vision board. There is everything in there, step-to-step guide to do everything, and you will also find the place there. It has space. Yes, so I would want one day my inbox filled with कि this was my vision board and I have ticked it all. Yes.
Wow, and as a reader myself, I would love a place to annotate. So thank you so much for catering to that. Now, my question to you is, does this book help only a certain type of person or anyone can use it?
A person who can hold the pen, it is useful to that. So if you all know how to hold the pen पकड़ने आता है तो ये book आपके लिए है. Yes.
Pen पकड़ने आता है? हाँ, raise your hands if you know how to hold a pen. Now this book is for you. That's the message today. Now, if you had to recommend this just one manifestation exercise from the book for all of us to try right here, right now, which one would it be?
So point 25 in the book says, act as if. Now that means that start behaving that it's already happened. Start behaving. The last line of my book says, and this book will be an Amazon bestseller. And in 36 hours of its release, it was the Amazon bestseller. So I had acted as if it is already the bestseller. I was already promoting it the way कि ये तो bestseller ही है और वो हो गई. So act as if. Yes, this is one thing that I will want to say to everybody. That start behaving, and you will see that yes, it is happening.
Nitika ma'am, I noticed one thing when you said act as if everybody's shoulders became straight. They started really acting as if they are, whatever intention in their mind is fulfilled.
It was really difficult to choose what to read. I went through the book twice and everything so resonated with me. But and don't worry, I'm not going to read all 10 of you, to you all. A lot of people brush off manifestation as a myth. Something that only shows up on Instagram reels or YouTube videos with people saying, think it and it will come true. They believe it's just a trendy word being thrown around almost like a buzzword for dreamers who don't want to work hard. This is so very true. ऐसे बैठे रहो और ऊपर से गिरेगा नहीं होता है is what Nikita has written in her book, and that is so true. Most people don't fail at manifestation. They don't really know what they want, or worse, they want what society has told them: money, marriage, status, etc., etc. They are not even aware what they truly desire. And when they don't get results, they blame the process instead of revisiting the intention. So, just because you don't see results doesn't mean it's not working. You don't plant a seed and dig it up next morning and hope that, it's going to fruit. What do? You nurture it, water it. Manifestation is the same. It's real, but only when practiced with awareness, alignment, and patience. your dreams with a pen, I highly recommend this book. Not because it's filled with abstract theories or wishful thinking, but because Nitika has lived every word of it. She hasn't written about manifestation. She has embodied it, and I'm a witness to it. She's embodied it step by step. Her journey is a powerful testament to what's possible when you align your thoughts, your energy and actions with intention. This isn't fluff. It's real, grounded and deeply inspiring. Whether you need the book or whether you need to gift it to somebody, Manifest Your Destiny with a Pen is highly recommended. Thank you. I not only want to congratulate Nitika today, I'm so sorry darling. I don't just want to congratulate Nitika today, but I wish her, for her, sky is the limit. I want to see her rising and shining each day.
So what are some manifestation exercises that you can suggest me that I do on a daily basis?
So there are very simple exercises mentioned in the book. The first is you can manifest or you can wish for whatever you think is in your wish list. Okay, make a nice sentence out of it. Start writing it 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon and 9 times in the night. That is called the 3-6-9 technique, which is very easy. You can start with that if you're a student, because yes, you are very easy to write and you still have the, I can say, the ability to write a lot. So yes, write it 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon and 9 times in the evening. That will serve it all.
So your message, you have to write it. I'll get a Prada bag, I'll get a Prada bag, I'll get a Prada bag. 369.
Yes. I am carrying a Prada bag. I will get nahi hota hai. I am carrying a Prada bag
wow.
to the next event I go to. This is what the sentence has to be. Yes.
I think I am duly corrected and very much so.
Hi Nitika, which is the next book you have manifested?
So, at the moment I am manifesting going on a world tour with this book. Yes, it will happen very soon. You all will see me. Yes, this book is going to take me places. So, yes, it is already launched in 15 countries. So, anybody in any countries like UK, already it's already booked in certain countries. It is live on Amazon. So please tell your relatives, friends, spread the word, buy it from Amazon. Here you are getting a signature copy today, but yes, you can definitely buy it on Amazon. It is available in 15 countries at the moment, and you can get a paperback version. On Kindle, it is Kindle Unlimited, it is free. I want to make it possible for every individual to read. There shouldn't be a limit कि हम नहीं खरीद सके, हम नहीं पढ़ सके. बहुत easy चीजें करते हैं.
Hello, ma'am. That is so generous of you.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Anushri. I think we all would love to know how did this journey begin, and how was that transformation journey which at this point you've reached?
So there's a girl sitting next to you, Ankita, you can ask her what is the transformation I've had. She knows me from around 7-8 years and she's a true testament to say. Anyways, it started with one belief that I cannot give up, one belief that I need to make my mark, one belief that yes, I want to make my parents, one belief that I want to see my daughters go, places, and yes, people around. I have a lot of support system with me, my family, and we can see all of them here today. So that is what made me go, and I can say not give up. So thank you.
Hello ma'am, congratulations on your book. My name is Ruchi. So you spoke a lot about manifestation, but I would like to know about the handwriting techniques as well. Because in today's world, a lot of us are moving away from the traditional art of pen and paper. And how can one, embrace and rekindle in this valuable skill of manifestation?
Okay, thank you, Ruchi. Nice question. So, see, we all were taught the same letters in school. सभी को सिखाया गया कि two slanting lines and one sleeping line is letter A. Okay. The thing is, we all write with our brain, and that is why no two people in the world have the same handwriting. Now, what you can do is get a 4-line paper book, the red and blue line, what we used to use when we were children, and start writing, practicing on that. Start making the letters proper as they were in the book. We have all started making our letters कि इसको समझो ये letter आ रहा है, हमें नहीं समझ रहा. So similar way it acts on us. This is what graphology or graphotherapy is all about. So that is the basic tip, that start writing and you will see it change. It is the easiest tool which connects your hand to your brain.
Hello, congratulations ma'am.
Thank you.
My name is Ashwini, and so as an expert, what do you think are the common mistakes people commit while investing themselves in the manifestation process?
Self-doubt. You will want for something and then you will think कि ये पर कैसे होगा. एक सेकंड में बोल रहे हो और दूसरी तरफ खुद ही डाउट कर रहे हो. So it also happened with me. I will tell you, when I was writing the book and it came to 35,000 words. ये मैं कैसे लिखूंगी? But yes, there is a process how you can start doing it, and here it is today. So stop that self-doubt. There will be that inner voice, अंदर की एक आवाज़ होगी जो तुम्हें रोकेगा, क्योंकि वो तो तुम्हें सेफ रखना चाहता है ना, कि मत लो रिस्क मत ले, कुछ हो गया तो. बट उसको चुप शांत करा दो, उसको बोलो मेरे सपने बड़े हैं, तो रुको तुम बाद में बात करना, पहले मैं जी लेती हूँ. So that is one thing which I see in everybody, that they will come with the self-doubt that I want to do this, but तो ये but word है ना, वहीं पर ख़त्म कर देता है.
Thank you.
Audience, this is your chance.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, my question is, can you share some personal experiences that led you to believe in the power of manifesting dreams through writing?
Yes, I will also tell you, please read the book. There are a lot of stories where I have told about how my personal beliefs. So there is this one chapter, the initial chapter, where I've written about how I met my daughters and how during the lockdown phase when the world had paused, how I was still able to get through difficult times. And yes, that is a personal story where I will share that writing a poem about them. The book has the poem I have written for my daughters, and how they also wrote me back a poem each is what kept me going.
Thank you so much everyone for sharing your thoughts and your questions. And thank you Nitika ma'am, each answer.
So ये बहुत ही बेसिक चीज़ें हैं. आपको याद होना चाहिए जब हम 5-6 साल के थे और हमें पेन पकड़ना हमने सीखा था, और कितना इजी था. हम सब दीवारों पर, चदरों पर, यहाँ वहाँ ज़मीन पर सब जगह लिखते रहते थे, और कैसे हम आगे बढ़े. अभी मेरी यही बुक यही विषय के ऊपर है कि कैसे हमें यही पेन, एक पेन की मतलब वो कहते हैं ना कि पेन की कीमत आपको समझनी है कि इससे लिखे गए सपने कैसे जल्दी साकार होते हैं, क्योंकि ये हमारे ब्रेन में छप जाते हैं. तो बुक लिखने की जर्नी शायद बहुत सालों से ये बुक लिखनी थी, इसके बारे में बहुत कुछ सोचते थे, इसीलिए केवल 45 डेज लगे और ये बुक लिखकर पब्लिश कर दी. 6 मई को मैंने अनाउंस किया था कि 24 जून को बुक लॉन्च होगी, और 24 मई को बुक लॉन्च हो चुकी थी. 24 जून को बुक लॉन्च हो चुकी थी, ऑनलाइन मिल गई थी. 36 घंटे में ये अमेजॉन बेस्ट सेलर थी.
जो पर्सनल लाइफ है उससे कुछ शेयर किया है कि क्या कुछ मैनिफेस्टेशन किया है आपने, अगर उस बारे में कुछ
तो इस बुक के अंदर बहुत सारी स्टोरीज है. इट इज़ फुल ऑफ स्टोरीज. इसमें मेरी पर्सनल स्टोरीज कि कैसे मेरे बच्चों के साथ बिताया हुआ मेरा समय, मेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ बिताया हुआ मेरा समय, मेरे फ्रेंड्स, मेरे क्लाइंट्स, बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स की कैसी कुछ कुछ तकलीफ़ें थी बिजनेस रिलेटेड, कोई हाउस वाइफ्स, कोई स्टूडेंट्स, कई तकलीफ़ें थी, उनके फैमिली की भी तकलीफ़ें थी, वो सब भी ये बुक के थ्रू मैं स्टोरी शेयर की है मैंने सिंपल वर्ड्स में. सबसे बढ़िया बात इस बुक की है कि इतनी सिंपल वर्ड्स में है कि मैंने इसकी रीडिंग एज रखी है 10 साल. 10 साल से ऊपर कोई भी जन ये बुक इजीली रीड करके समझ सकता है कि ये बुक क्या विषय के ऊपर. मैनिफेस्टेशन का पावर तो आज आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर. यह है मैनिफेस्टेशन का पावर, जहाँ शायद कल से मैं यहाँ आऊँ तो यहाँ का सिक्योरिटी गार्ड मुझे बिना चेक किए भी अंदर आने दे कि हाँ मैम आप जा सकते हैं. तो यह है मैनिफेस्टेशन का पावर कि सब कुछ आप सोचो. हम प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम सोच ही नहीं पाते, हमें पता ही नहीं कि हमें क्या चाहिए, सिर्फ मनी वर्ड बोलते रहते हैं. अगर किसी से मैं पूछती हूँ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए तो वो कहते हैं 10 करोड़ रुपए, और मैं पूछती हूँ उसका क्या करोगे तो बोलते पहले आने तो दो. अरे पहले सोच लो उसका क्या करोगे, फिर वो बहुत इजीली आ जाएंगे. जैसे ही आपका पर्पस क्लियर है, द मैनिफेस्टेशन गोज वेरी इजी.
क्या डिफरेंस महसूस करते हैं राइटिंग अ गोल एंड मैनिफेस्टेशन?
तो राइटिंग अ गोल अगेन इट डज नॉट कम विद अ पर्पस. राइटिंग अ गोल तो ये हो सकता है कि मैं बहुत बड़ी सेलिब्रिटी बनूं. अभी मैनिफेस्टेशन ये होता है कि मैं इतने लोगों की लाइफ इम्पैक्ट करूं और फिर सेलिब्रिटी खुद बन जाओगे, मनी खुद आ जाएगा, चीज़ें खुद हो जाएगी. ये डिफरेंस है राइटिंग अ गोल में और मैनिफेस्टेशन.
मैम आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि सबसे पहले नितिका जी के साथ किस तरह का बॉन्ड शेयर करते हैं, बुक के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप, क्या बेस्ट विशेष?
नितिका के साथ मेरा बॉन्ड बहुत पुराना है. जैसे मैंने शेयर किया कि जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम नितिका से मिली थी, नितिका सिर्फ एक माँ थी, एक हाउसवाइफ थी, और उसकी जो जर्नी, जो मैंने उसको उसका ग्रोथ देखा है, that is all Nitika has manifested everything in her life, and step by step उसने जब से ग्राफोलॉजी सीखा, से फिर NLP सीखा, and she is now, I will only say one word for her, she is unstoppable, and I love that.
तो मैम क्या चीज़ आपको इंस्पायर किया ये बुक लिखने के लिए, उसके बारे में कुछ शेयर करें. लोग कितना मोटिवेट होंगे?
तो जिसने ये बुक पढ़नी शुरू की वो ये बुक अपने बैग में रख के घूमेगा, इसकी मैं श्योर हूँ, क्योंकि ये बुक बहुत इजी है. इसमें जगह दी गई है कि अपने ड्रीम्स यहीं लिखो, पूरा होते हुए उनको देखो, रोज़ देखो, और यही इस बुक की एक्चुअली वैल्यू है. तभी ये बुक आई विल से रियली पॉपुलर होगी. बेस्ट सेलर तो बन गई, आई विल से जब जीवन चेंज करेगी लोगों का तभी एक्चुअली बेस्ट सेलर होगी.
जो मैनिफेस्टेशन करना चाहते हैं फ्यूचर में, उनके लिए क्या मैसेज होगा?
कि प्लीज सोचो, ड्रीम, खुली आंखों से, बंद आंखों से, चलते फिरते, सांस लेते वक्त ड्रीम करो और देखो कि कैसे सब कुछ पूरा हो. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी.